Alright, hey guys, Memphis Man here. Just want to make a quick video of putting together these rear coilovers for the first gen W's. These are the parts that I got that I'm going to put on my 91 Cutlass Supreme coupe. So, got all the parts. I got the KYB shocks from AutoZone, got the springs and the spring isolators from Summit Racing, got the coilover adjusting sleeves and the coilover adjusting nuts from from A1 Racing. And I got the top strut mounts from AutoZone as well. So I'm going to put these together. Here you go, take that. Real easy to put together. You just take the KYB strut. I'm going to go ahead and take this off if I can. Yeah, that's not going to work well, but doesn't matter. So, just take your strut, take your coilover sleeve and your nut, just put it on like this. And you just slide this over. And let's see, and you're going to get your spring. Haven't even opened this yet. I went with the 250-pound springs. That's what I put on my convertible. So I went with that on this car as well. Springs. Just going to drop these over. And then you get your spring isolator pads. This is your upper isolator pad. And grab one of your top mounts. Just took brand new mounts. What you're going to do is you're just going to slide this over the top of this. Nice tight fit. Now before I put these on the car, what I'll end up doing is I'll probably end up cutting this much off, because the mount that I'm going to lower it, this will actually bottom out on top of the strut. So I'll cut this off. But this slides right over the top. And then this spring isolator pad, that's what gives a shock prevention from hitting this metal to metal, so you don't have metal to metal. Right there. And you just put the nut on top. Right there. And then, there you go, that's it. Real simple. Alright.